This video will go from this to this using this. Alright, so this will be an install and I guess a video review of this cover, and I'm hoping it'll work on the Ford Expedition here. The size of the purchase is a 1XL, so we'll see if it works. So first of all, it does come in its own carrying bag, which if it's anything like the other car covers I've had, it'll never fit in there. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take this off. And the pot needs to go inside the truck, car, station wagon. Okay, so we got it thrown over it. Now I just got to tie it off. One of the ties is right at the wheels. Okay, so I had to actually place that on there, tighten it up some. And of course repeat for the other straps. So this is a 1998 Ford Expedition, and it seems to fit it pretty good actually. I was surprised, and with two people, once you figure out how it goes on, wasn't too big of a deal. I left this undone so we can look at the inside of it. It's got a nice felt fabric in it. Did not notice any door zippers, so that is something my other one has that this does not. And of course you just throw that under and tie it up in the middle over there too. So I got to fish that middle strap out, so I'm going to use a broom. There it is. And of course secure the strap as well. That flipped around on me. There we go. It actually fits decent. Got the little reflective material on there, so if you park out in the street, people can hopefully see you. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.